Hello, and welcome back. Well, I have a bit of a... Sorry, back to the TV room. David Bradley here, a mystery. And what is this mystery? Well, I had the 64 that I got at the World of Commodore 2024. I swapped out the chips, and it was looking mighty fine. And then I left it to kind of, warm up and see what was what. And here's what I see. Now, my gut tells me maybe it's a PLA chip. Maybe. All right, let me grab a 64 here. Let's see. Commodore 64. I should write this better. All major chip sockets. Okay, beauty. All major chips socketed. That is a beautiful thing. Come on. You know what? Maybe I'll just use this little screwdriver to get in here. Now, it may be that I'm sure I've stolen some things out of this because that's what I did to get this going. I did. There's the screw. All right. Let's see what we have here. Oh, yeah. Well, this may not be good. But it could be. Alright, where is my bucket? Now, the other thing I did think about doing was going to my phone, doing a little search. Because there is a beautiful site out there. There is visible Commodore 64. It's showing this visible solar system thing. Alright, let's try something else here. Commodore 64. Screenshots. Errors. The pictorial. Oh, that's it. Pictorial C64 fault guide. Okay. The definitive. Alright, hang on here. Oh, yeah. Aha. I don't need the bucket. I think. Oh, yeah. I'll just grab my glasses. And have a look. Alright, so we have pictures. We do. And aha! That looks potentially like what it is. What it is. Normally booted on a black screen. Bad U4 kernel ROM. All right. U3. U4. U5. So, ugh, these glasses are a beautiful thing. But sometimes it's hard to see. Okay, so I'm going to take this out. This does not feel terribly hot. But we'll see. Shall we take that out? I should look at the pins. They all look fine. As do these. Throw it back in. We turn it on. Looks much the same. Well, hold on here. I am going to go with my initial gut. I'm going to yank out, oh no, I only put that over there. I'm going to yank out the PLA chip and put it here and put a different one in. Why do I think that? I don't know. I've never really seen anything like this. Well, that's peculiar. So, we know it's not those things. Alright, let's keep looking. U7. No. Yeah, that's the PLA. We've checked that. Let's keep on looking. See, it's funny, none of these here are showing the, oh, this looks, bad socket contact at U12. Does U12 feel hot? It does not. Huh. Anyway, here, it's funny how this, this pictorial64.com, which is a very helpful thing, it shows this, which is quite similar, but not exact. Let's keep looking, because this also extends into the border. It does. There's an awful lot of things here that show an awful lot of things. But nothing that looks exactly like that. Now there's always the wow, the potential. There we go. The potential obvious thing, the video chip. Why would I say that? Well, because the video is screwed. So we'll take the video chip out of this one, and the machine is turned off. We'll take it out, and we'll put another video chip in, or on. Shazam! All right. Interesting. That puts on quite a show. So this video chip, which is a 6567R8, made in the 30th week of 1984. There it is. It is kaput. It is kaput. But there are many things that often look much the same. So I think what I'm going to do is, once again, just for fun, because it's a good idea, I'm going to put the Des Task Max in here and let this run. All right. So that comes out. And we take out our collection of little bags. Little plastic bags. And we grab a Sharpie. We move this ever so slightly. And we write Vic 2. 65, 65, 67, R8. Bad. It's funny, I should look. I wonder if there's a way to contribute things. Power supply. Trace capacitor. CT1 trimmer. Okay, let's go. Let's see here. There is a thing where you can actually click on the thing. U19. Vic. And I don't see anything in this Vic selection that looks exactly like what I just found. So I am going to slide down here. Raise Pico Guide. More fault picks here. Oh, so this gives additional diagnostics and repair sites. Interesting. Pictorial64.com. Aha! If you have a picture to contribute or questions about the currently listed problems. Okay. I think this might be worthwhile. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to take this chip out. Oh, I think I bent the pins a bit. I'm going to put this one back in. I'm going to turn it on. Yes, I tweaked the pins a little wee bit. I will tweak them back. All the while saying, oh, you got to be careful with these. Got to be careful. Got to be careful. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do, because I can, not only am I going to shoot a picture, oh man, that's really not coming up nicely. It's doing weird things. Maybe what I need to do is shoot a little video. And then I can grab a frame maybe. Hello. So this is the video I got, and it was indeed a bad Bic chip. And I'm going to try and grab a frame, but as you can see, it's pretty wild. Anyway, thanks for your site. I'll be in touch. David Bradley. Bye for now. Okay. So, we have a video. Now, it's funny because it does weird things. Oh dear. Things are happening. What is this? Welcome to mail. Good. Why can't I just... I don't want to open a new account. I just want to send a picture. Or something. Well, maybe I'll have to do this on my computer. Quite something. All right. Out with the video chip. This is still a good board to test things with. Things happen. They do. Things happen. Check the witness mark. Line it up with great care. Push with even, steady pressure. Turn it on. Ta-da! It's funny, you know, this thing comes up really quickly with stuff, and I'm not sure what it all says. Oh dear, I just heard a snowplow go by. Alright, so I'll toss that in there. And maybe I will leave this to test. So what have I stolen out of here now? Whew. I've almost stolen everything out of here. And there's hardly room to write. Pick 2 PLA 27. Oh, yeah, I've already got the other things noted. They have been noted. Noted. Alright, I'm going to put this back on. So this too is a great test machine, but I've stolen most of everything out of it. For the moment. Actually, I don't need to even bother plugging that in, which is just as well, because it's not going well. It's not going well. Alright. There's a screwdriver. I will screw this back together. And it can go back to its place of honor. And this here, I'll just leave it here and see. Oh dear, I did a silly thing there. These chips are okay. Well, I'm assuming they're, you know what? Ah, dear. Okay. Silly me. They don't need to be out of there. They can go back home. Are we good? We're good. All right. This would be U17, otherwise known as the PLA. All right. Shazam. All right. Well, no point in having these sitting here doing nothing. Awful lot of sirens out there today. I wonder if something has happened. It sounds like it's close by. It's a slippery day. I wonder if somebody has done something foolish. Okay, so PLA chip. Oh, now this could be a challenging moment in time. Yes. Oh, get down. Sit down. Remember, look at the board. Make sure you put this in U17, not U18. It's easy to mix them up because the boards have things in different places. They do. So be careful out there. All right. So So I'll take this VIC-20 screw and put it into the 64. They are identical, of course. What are we doing here? Are we going in? We're not going in. All right, just slide it over a titch. And we're in. I'm going to write on here. Test machine. Okay. Lovely. So we'll turn this off. We'll bring it over here. And we'll turn it on. I should really try and shoot a picture or a video of this as it comes to life, because there are messages on the first screen that are helpful. I gotta get far enough back. Oh boy. See, it does weird things, the video does. Maybe if I get up above. Nope. Maybe if I go to the side. Maybe if I prop it up on this here joystick thing. No, it's still going to do weird things. Okay, well, I'm going to start recording. Then I'm going to turn this off. There we go. Then I'm going to turn it on. And I'll leave it to test. But now, I should be able to advance the video to a spot. And I missed it. Okay. Gray border, failing test VIC. Blue border, fail testing 0 page. Purple border. It's funny, the play thing is in the way here. What if I click on this? Ooh. Purple border, fail testing stack page. License to retro rewind. Okay, I'm going to shoot a picture of this. Bah. And then I'll go back in and I'll edit. And I will crop. Done. So I don't know if you can see this, but there, that's the screen I wanted to see. It is. But it's funny because the border keeps changing. Stripes in the border indicate good green or bad red bits discovered during the VIC 0 page and stack page startup memory test. Okay. All right. Well, maybe while I'm here, I'll go back to this other video and try. Pause. There. That looks like a good frame to grab. Showing, like, the video is better, but it is showing the border troubles. And there always seems to be trouble at the border these days. Alright, so I think I will. I will save that too. And then I will edit and do that. And I'll just edit off the sides a little bit. Then and there you have it. I will send that to the Pictorial 64 man and see if it is any help. And I'll also send the video. Okay, so we're back in the game. At least I think we are. Alright, and as I look over here, I see a power supply. Okay, good. It is not plugged in. I'm trying, as always, to get organized. Sometimes it goes well. Sometimes not so much. Anyway, I'm glad it was a major chip, although it's sad to have a bad major chip. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. We'll see you again back here in the TV room. Bye for now.